Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem step by step. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can create or open a Omegle account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1-2-Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So most people do not know this, but in order to use Omegle, you don't need any account. Now you might get confused like, why don't you need account? Well, I will show you that, alright? So first step, in order to use Omegle, you need to go to this website called Omegle.com. Make sure you write Omegle.com and it will bring you to this page, which is the official website of Omegle. Now once I'm over here, if I want to use Omegle, I can just click on video or start a chat. Let's say I want to chat with somebody. I can click on start a chat, agree to the terms and service, click and confirm. And once I do that, it basically means I created an account. But now your data is not going to be saved. The moment you close Omegle like this, all the chat and all the video calls you have done, it's going to be deleted, done. No history or no nothing. So how Omegle works is Omegle is a website that links you with random person. So the moment you leave the site, you're going to be disconnected with the random person. You cannot connect with them or you cannot recover your chat, alright? So this is basically what Omegle is. So the moment you go to Omegle.com, your account is automatically created, and the moment you leave Omegle.com, your account is automatically deleted. In a simple term, this is how Omegle works. So that's how we guys can create or open Omegle account. You can't open Omegle account. Like basically if I open Omegle, that's it, my account is created. If I close Omegle, my account is deleted. That's how this works. So hope you understand. Hit that subscribe to our channel 1-2-Step. I'll see you guys next time.